Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and keep practicing. This is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our 5th tutorial on Kotlin Programming tutorial series. So today we have the topic is operators in Kotlin that are arithmetic, logical and comparison operators. So before start your today's session, please do like, share and subscribe this channel. And if you have any doubts, queries or any suggestions, you can comment me on this below. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what are operators? In Kotlin, basically, operators are this special symbol used to perform operations on a values, right? For example, 10 plus 5. Here, 10 and 5 are the operands and plus is the operator, right? So we can do sum as a equal to a plus b, right? So very basic things is here. So Kotlin provides many types of operators, but in this video we will focus on the three importance that are arithmetic operator, comparison operator and logical operator, right? So let's start with the first, arithmetic operators. So what is the arithmetic operator? As you can see, arithmetic operators are used for a mathematical calculations, right? For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, so here is the chart like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and modular, that is a remainder. For example, a plus b, as we can existing example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So these are the very basic things. So modular is like a remainder after a division. So 10 divided by 3 equal to 1. But 1 is a remainder here, that is a modulus. Okay, the next one is comparison operator. So we need to compare some things like comparison operators compare two values and return either true or false. Okay, so it will be returning Boolean values. For example, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to or less than equal to. These are the comparison operators. Okay, so we can compare those values and get the result in the form of Boolean values. So basically this is the chart where comparison operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to and less or equal to. So here is an example. Okay, so a equals to means we compare the values of two. A equal to b, that means what? If a is equal to b or not, it will be returned value in the form of Boolean values, that is true or false. That is not equal to, then it will be written true or false, like that. These are the comparison operators. Okay, this is the example on comparison operator, like a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. Okay, so we are checking comparison that in between the a and b equal to. Okay, so a equal to b, it will return false. That means what? A is not equal to b means 10 is not equal to 5. Okay, so it will be written in the output false. So in the similar way, these are the comparison operators. So a is not equal to b, absolutely true. A is greater than b, yes, 10 is greater than b, equal to true. If 10 is less than b, no, it's not less than b, it return false. Okay, so 10 is greater than equal to b, obviously true. It's greater than 5, 10 is greater than 5. Is 10 is less than equal to 5, false, because 10 is always greater than 5 or equal to 5. Okay, so third one is a logical operators. So logical operators are used to combination of multiple conditions, right? Combine the multiple conditions, like for example, AND operator. If the both conditions are true, okay, both conditions are true, it will be written as a true. That means what? Both conditions must be true here. For example, age equal to 20, okay, and has license is equal to true. It's a boolean value, right? And age equal to 20 is an integer value. So we are checking that 20 is greater than equal to 18, or okay, and has license true. In the output will be true, because and wants what both the conditions must be true. So our 20 is greater than equal to 18, it's true, and has license also true. So and our operator will be written as a true. This is an example. Hope you understand. Okay, so OR operator. So this is our operator. OR operator means what? At least one condition must be true. OR. Okay. So is a weekend true? It's a boolean, right? And it's already false. It's a boolean value, where we are checking that is a weekend equal to true or is already false. So it must be written true, because at least one condition must be true. So here is weekend is true, so written in the output true. So next is a not operator. So reverse the result. It means what? If you have store a result as a true, right? So it will reverse to that false. So definitely it will be the false value. In this example, is logged in equal to false. So if using that not operator, it will be reversed to that result, and we are in the output panel we will get what? False. Sorry, true, because it's opposite to that false. It's true. Okay, so this is our today's session. We learned the arithmetic operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. So hope you understand this, the very basic concept. Okay, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Please do comment if you have any suggestion on thoughts. Okay, and if you have any queries, you can comment me on this. So please do click on the bell icon as well, so we will get the notifications on your device. So this is our today's session, and in the next episode we will learn about the string templates in Kotlin. So stay tuned, and this is Nikhil and signing off.